The Everick Field School is an archaeological teaching and training program in Ipswich, Queensland. The program is designed for history and science teachers and university students studying archaeology. The Field School provides practical training in archaeological techniques and methods, including site prediction, site formation processes, and survey techniques. This includes ground-penetrating radar, site grid layout, hand excavation, artifact recovery, cataloging and photography, stratigraphy and section drawing, field recording and overall site interpretation. These learning objectives are aligned with the Australian Archaeology Skills Passport. Our field school provides hands-on learning at an industrial site in Ipswich, in a scenic location along the Bremer River. Participants experience a real excavation site that is locally significant to Queensland's industrial past. This excavation site was part of an historic industrial complex that included a sawmill, a timber mill, a flour mill, and a boiling down works that were in use between 1851 to 1910. Our excavations revealed a brick feature, animal bones, historic ceramics, metal fragments, and glass. The most significant find was a Queen Victoria penny from 1856. The program is led by Dr. Serena Love, Principal Research Archaeologist for Everick Foundation, with over 25 years of archaeological experience, and an expert team of heritage professionals, with an array of experiences and diversity. Our teacher-to-student ratio is 1:5, to ensure maximum individual attention and instruction. Please submit an expression of interest if you are a teacher using archaeology in your classroom, are looking for practical archaeological experience, or training for a career in cultural heritage management. No previous experience or training is necessary, but all participants must be over the age of 18 years. See you in 2022.